mail's here. Here's the mail, it never fails. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from.
Alright, what's up guys? I know, I haven't been here. I said I was gonna schedule some stuff. Forget that planner. Hold on. Whatever. I'm just better off winging it. So here we are. It is March 16th. I'm just spilling out a whole bag of lies right now. My hair has grown out. I've cut the sides. I'm only just rocking a tot right now. But we got a couple things in the mail today. So I got one here. And I got this big old bag down here. Let's see what we got. So let's do this all professional and go with the tab. I'll never open up my mail the same again. I'm not gonna question it. Y'all hear this? Do y'all wanna hear this? Ooh, ooh, ooh. What did I get? I got an Apple Card. I heard it's titanium. Ooh. This is titanium. That's crazy. I gotta activate this. Let's do this one over here. But yeah, no guys, I've been doing good. You know, I'm at work right now. I'm currently on a break. I just went outside and saw the mail, so I thought I'd just record this for y'all. But I don't know what else I'm gonna be doing this month, you know, because I don't know what's gonna happen. But I'm hoping good things are happening soon. Hold the packaging. Open wallet app and follow instructions. Okay. Ooh. Special. So it has to be in the package for me to activate it. Got it. That's swaggy, baby. I like that. Alright, Apple being fancy. Alright. Well, I'm supposed to be back at work. We'll take a scheduled break after I take a couple calls. I'm gonna have to record when I record. So the Big Bertha, the Big Daddy, my Santa Claus package. I think this is my stuff from Shein. Yes, I had ordered some stuff from Shein or Shein. Ooh, like a big brim hat. Hold on. I got this. Wear like a snapback. The bill in the front. Ooh, let's see what I got. Take you through the headphones off for a second. I got this. Scully. Oh my god, a phone call. Ah! I got this little Scully. This little beige Scully, because you know, since I'm wearing my hair short, I need some little hats. It says baby girl on it. I like it. It's all nice and snug. They a little big. It's cute though. I like it. I like to wear my hats like this. If it was in the cold, I'd be here looking like Thug Dizzle. Just dropping everything. I don't give a feel me? What you gonna do? Okay? So I got this phone case for my phone. I was kind of like, because I have the light green, the lime green or mint green colored iPhone 12. Y'all saw it in the last video. So I got a pink case. Yeah, so it got the buttons are like lime green, and then it got a dragon on the back. So I put that in a video for y'all to see when I put that on there. Oh wait. Here it is. What we got up next? I got these glasses. Yeah, I was doing a pink thing. Yeah, I was doing a pink thing. Cause I bought some other stuff. I love the glasses from Shein. Like, I always buy so many different glasses from them. The majority of my glasses are from them. I love their glasses. Like, what else just fell out? With the skedaddle. With the bum. What's right here in front of my face? Oh, it comes a little cleaning thing. Oh, hold on. Getting phone call. Like they come with a little wipe, like a cleaner in there. Gold and pink. I wanted it to match my phone case and the other thing that I got. Ooh, is it cute? Oh, it's already dirty. Hold on. It's already a scratch in my glasses. Oh no. I like these. Oh. With the pink hair. I gotta re-dye my hair. I'm gonna do a different color this month though. I like these. Y'all won me over, whatever. Even though y'all did bring me some scratched up glasses, but it's okay. One pair of scratch glasses ain't gonna kill me because I bought hella glasses from y'all already. Okay? Y'all need to sponsor me. For real. I'm down. I'm cute. Am I not cute? Ooh. Yeah, I was looking for this for my birthday, but I wanted to order everything like in a bunch. I got this little Capricorn bag. Probably gonna use it to like put my pads in and stuff. Just a pink bag. I just want something simple and plain that I can carry around with me. Let me see. Okay, so I got the little middle section. I'm trying to be more organized, you feel me, and have all my stuff with me when I leave my house. When it come with the little clutch, okay, and it come with the little wallet size bag. Oh, it come with a strap. Got the little clutch. Ooh, the clutch got a chain. The little clutch got a chain on it. I like gold. I like gold things. Okay. Like when I don't need to carry my whole purse with me. You feel me? So, cause I'm gonna use all three of these. This is what I needed. Like I needed just a general bag to carry everything in, and then a smaller bag just to have all my little essentials in it when I go out and stuff. So I have my big bag. I got my little bag for just in case. No, I gotta go somewhere. And then, okay, so I got that. And then I got my little wallet. This I can alternate between both real quick. Like it would have my cards and everything that I really need. Okay, yeah, it's cute. Keep my money in here and my cards. I'm for sure gonna use this strap on the bigger bag. I want this to be like my everyday bag. I don't have an everyday bag. Should I make it longer? Yeah, what I'm saying, like I don't know if I want it like this, and then when I carry it like this, it's too long. Like the strap is. I'm just short. It's kind of tough. Why is it twisting up like that on me? I'm gonna have it like this. Yeah, this is fine. You like my stuff? So I'm gonna fill up my bag with everything that I need, and then I might just do it in my bag video so y'all can see all the stuff that I carry with me, all the things that I think is important that a lady should carry with them, or that really anybody should carry with them. Y'all stay tuned for that, you know? Shein. Yeah, y'all thought y'all was safe? You better like, comment, and subscribe. Punk. What you gonna do? Punk. Didn't I say I was gonna stop doing that? Don't follow me. No, follow me.